Hey guys, you are with the Tech Science. Today we are discussing a new point. The name of the point is the extraction of the metal from its ore using the gravitational method. And here yesterday the video which is uploaded on the YouTube, that is also a kind of one of the first method, that is to separate the metal from its ore, that is based on the gravitation. And yesterday's videos is based on the Wilfley table method. And here in front of you, this is what the second method, it is called as the hydraulic separation method. Hydraulic stand for, here hydro stand for water, of course we know that. So here some kind of technology is there in front of you, and this is called the hydraulic separation method. Now question is what kind of exactly the things are there in the hydraulic separation method. Before that, we know that the first step in extracting the metal from its ore, that is what the concentration of ore. The first method is called concentration of ore, and in this concentration of ore, the metal that is separated from its gangue particles, that is called the impurity. That exactly happen in case of the concentration of ore. And for this reason, we have the different types of methods are there to separate the impurities or the gangue particles from its ore. That is what first separation is based on gravitation, second magnetic separation method, third froth flotation method, and one more we have the leaching method. So right now we are discussing the separation based on gravitation. And here if you observe the separation which is based on the gravitation, this is the second method, it is called hydraulic separation method, where the hydraulic separation method is based on the working of a mill. Here observe, this is what the diagram, that is what the tapering vessel, and just like what we are using in a grinding mill, the same shape you found here, am I right? And here it opens in a tank like container that is tapering on the lower side. The tank has outlet. Where is the outlet? Observe, this is what the outlet, and the outlet has two things. First, outlet which is for the gangue particle, and second, the outlet which is called concentrated ores, that is you have to be separating after separate it from this ore. Okay, and now what is the working of this? Observe, this is what the region, this is called powdered ore. From this region you have to enter the powdered ore which is grinded in a ball mill. Finally, when this powdered ore enter in this tank, now a jet of water, a pressure of water you have to be applied from the lower side. This is the region where from this the water get entered from lower direction towards the upper direction. This is what the direction for the water. So water is moved in this direction. Am I right? So what happened here? Of course, a forceful jet of water introduced in a tank from this lower side. Now the gangue particles, of course, the gangue particles which are very lighter, and that's why when they are mixed with this, water, they will be of course floating on this upper region, upper area of this water. And here the method is based on the gravitation. Why? Because the gangue particles, of course, they are lighter, that's why they are floating on the water, and it is very easily separated, or we can just filtered out using the gangue particle, because here there is an outlet, and from this they get separated from the main ore. And now here, what about the ores? The remaining ore which is like free from the gangue particles, of course the particles having some kind of weight, and because of gravitation property they are attracted towards the end of this tapering vessel. Am I right now? So what happened here? They will collect it at the ended side, at the lower side, and here the concentrated ore get collected, and here at the bottom, that is called the lower side of the tank. In short, this method is based on the law of gravitation, where heavier particles are attracted toward the earth and lighter particles, of course, they are floated on this water, and the particles of the same size, they are separated by their weight with the help of the water. So a very simple method is there in front of you. So using the gravitational method, gravitation based gravitation technique, so you just filtered out. You just separated the gangue particles from the upper region and the main ore at the lower region. This is what the lower region. Okay, so this is a complete method, and this method is called hydraulic separation method. Using that, you can separate the gangue particles. Of course, it is called the impurities from the main ore. Understood? So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon for the new notification. Thank you.